Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our GK class. So, as you know, we have already completed our first two chapters, isn't it? We did about insects, we did about feathered friends. Okay, now today we are going to start with the chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is Strange Animals. The strange animals means some animals are there, they have some special like characteristic, okay, which make them very special animals. Okay, so today we are going to study about some animals which are very strange, like they have something special, they have something special characteristics. Okay, so let us start then. So before I start the class, do one thing. As you know, sit with the pencil and your book. লগতে বুক আৰু পেন্সিলটো অলৱেজ লৈ ল'বা, ঠিক আছে? পঢ়াৰ সময়ত বা জিকে যেতিয়া আমি চেপ্টাৰ স্টার্ট করিম বা ক্লাস স্টার্ট করিম, তোমালোক প্রথম কি করিবা, জিকে বুকখন আৰু পেন্সিলটো লৈ বহিবা, ঠিক আছে? সবে ওলাই লোৱা। তো লেট আস স্টার্ট দেন। স্ট্রেঞ্জ এনিমেলস, লুক এট দ্য বুক। সবে বুক চাবা। দেয়ার আর মেনি কাইন্ডস অফ এনিমেলস ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড. We see many of them around us. Some animals are found in the zoo or specific regions. Some such animals are shown below. Okay, there are many kinds of animals in this world. Okay, we can see many animals in this world. Okay, which are around us. Okay, from very smallest to very larger. Okay, we see different kinds of animals. We found different kinds of animals in our world. So some animals are found in the zoo or specific region. Some animals we see sometimes in our holidays. What we used to do, we go to zoo, isn't it? We visit zoo to see some special animals, because zoo আমি বহুত animals দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ, কিছুমান special animals দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ। তো আমি জুত কি কৰোঁ, সেই এনিমেলছবোৰ চাবলৈ যাওঁ, আৰু বা জুত আমি বহুত ধৰণৰ এনিমেলছ দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ। আৰু কিছুমান এনিমেলছ আছে, অনলি দে সাৰ্ভাইভ in that particular specific region. Okay, কিছুমান এনিমেলছ এনেকুৱা আছে যোনটো অকল বেলেগটাৰ য'ত আছে, য'ত থাকে তেন সেইটো ঠাইতে কি কৰিব পাৰে, থাকিব পাৰে। সি বেলেগ ঠাইত থকাৰ কাৰণে সুইটেবল কণ্ডিশ্যন নাই। তো কিছুমান স্পেচিফিক এনিমেলছ আমি ক'ত পাওঁ, পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ স্পেচিফিক ৰিজনতে পাওঁ। So some such animals are shown below. তো তেনেকুৱা some such animals are shown below. See, number 1, what is given written here? This animal has a sting on its tail. It belongs to spider family but looks very difficult. Okay, this animal has a sting on its tail. Aru so it belongs to spider family. Aru animals to it belongs to spider family, but it doesn't look like a spider. Okay, it is different. It looks very different. So what is the name of that animal? Okay, so you will write the name of this animal. Number 1, the name of this animal is scorpion. Okay, scorpion. You will write in the box. You can see the box here, blank box, empty box. So you write the name of this animal in the box. Okay, so I'm writing the name. Number 1 is scorpion. So the animal has a sting on its tail and it belongs to spider family but looks very different. What is the name of the animal? Scorpion. 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 Okay, I repeat, SCORPION, scorpion. Now write it and come to number 2. This animal lives in very cold ocean water. It has tusks like that of elephants. So these animals lives in very cold water in the ocean. মানে oceanৰ খুব ঠাণ্ডা পানীত this animal lives. So it has tusks like that of elephants. Elephantor যেনেকে দুটা দাঁত থাকে ডাঙৰ দীঘল দীঘল, ঠিক তেনেকে এই এনিমেলছটোৰো কি আছে, এলিফেণ্টৰ দৰে দুডাল দীঘল দীঘল কি আছে, দাঁত আছে। And what is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is walrus. Okay, number 2, is walrus. So the spelling, I'm telling you the spelling, WALRUS, WALRUS, walrus. Okay, so number 2, the answer is walrus. This animal lives in very cold ocean water. It has trunks like that of elephant. So what will be the answer of number 2? The answer is walrus. Okay, so come to number 3. See what is written. Look at the book. This animal looks like a bear. It mostly eats bamboo leaves. Okay, the animal which looks like bear and eats bamboo leaves. So what will be what is the name of that animal? Guess. Ki hobo kwa? It is panda. Number 3 is panda. Okay, so the animal looks like a bear and eats bamboo leaves. That name of this animal is panda. Okay, PANDA, panda. PANDA, panda. Okay, now come to number 4. So this sea animal looks like a star. Okay, there is an animal which lives in water. Okay, which usually lives in sea. And what is the name of that animal? Is which looks like a star. The name of that animal is starfish. Okay, number 4 is starfish. Number 4. Okay, so the sea animal looks like a star. Sea animal means this animal lives in sea. Okay, we can see the animals in the ocean water or sea water. So the name of this animal is which looks like a star is called starfish. Okay, STAR, star, FISH, starfish. Okay, now come to number 5. This little insect has its own light. Okay, its light flashes when it breathes. So, there is an animal which has its own light. তাৰমানে এটা এনিমেল আছে যাৰ নিজস্ব লাইট আছে আৰু লাইটটো আমি কেতিয়া দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ? ইটস লাইট ফ্লাশেছ when it breathes. আৰু যেতি হিহতে কি কৰে ব্রিদিং প্ৰসেসটো চলে, ৰেসপিৰেশন সিস্টেমটো লৈ থাকে, নাইবা কি কৰে উশাহ নিশা লৈ থকা সময়ত কি কৰে সেই লাইটটো কি ফ্লাশৰ নিচিনা আমাৰ মোবাইলৰ যেনেকুৱা ফ্লাশটো কি হয় দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ, ঠিক তেনেকৈ তিহতৰ পৰা লাইট দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ when they breathe. Okay, so the little insect has its own light, or the insect that has its own light and it flashes during they breathe. The name of this animal is firefly. What is the name of that animal? What's the name? Firefly. Okay, so right, number 5. So the name of this animal is firefly. FIRE, fire, FLY, firefly. Okay, so now I'm going to erase this. Now turn your page. Okay, come to page number 9. See, this little animal looks like a squirrel. It is a deadly enemy of snake. Okay, so there is an animal which looks like squirrel. Okay, and it is a deadly animal of snakes. That means এই এনিমেলটো কি স্কুইৰেলৰ নিচিনা দেখা যায় আৰু ইহত স্নেকৰ এনিমি হয়, মানে স্নেক দেখিলে ইহতে কি কৰে তাত ফাইট আৰম্ভ হৈ যায় স্নেক আৰু ইয়াৰ মাজত, একদম ডেডলি এনিমেল, স্নেকক মাৰি পেলায়। ঠিক আছে, তো হোৱাট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দিছ এনিমেল which looks like squirrel and it is deadly enemy of snake? So the name of this animal is mongoose. So number 6, your answer will be mongoose. So the little animal which looks like a squirrel, and it is a deadly enemy of snake. So the name of this animal is mongoose. MONGOOSE. Okay, MONGOOSE. Mongoose. Okay, done. Now come to number 7. This animal looks like a rat. It has a thick jacket of plates. It can roll into a ball when in danger. So this animal looks like a rat. Itu animals of rator dore dekha jay, and it has a thick jacket of plates. It can roll into a ball when in danger. Aru ihotor tumar ki thake gote body ba pithir uporot ki thake jacket eta thake প্লেটৰ আৰু কি হয় যেতিয়া ইহত নিজক ভাবে যে কোনোবা ইহতক হাম কৰিব বা কোনোবা ইহত যেতিয়া কিবা কাৰণত ইহতে ডেঞ্জাৰ ফিল কৰে যে এই এনিমেলছটোৱে আমাক মাৰিব পাৰে বা ডেঞ্জাৰ ফিল কৰে বা ভয় খায়, ইহতে কি কৰে প্লেটছত এনেকে মোটো কি কৰে ৰাউন্ড হৈ যায় মানে আৰু ৰোল কৰি কৰি কি কৰে ইট ক্যান ৰোল ইনটু এ বল, বলৰ দৰে বল এটাৰ দৰে কি হয় ৰোল কৰি কৰি পলাই যায়। ঠিক আছে। So this animal looks like a rat. Aru animal to rator dore dekha jay ako ebar koisu, and it has a thick jacket of plates. Aru ihotor plates or ki thake eta jacket thake ihotor body ba pithit jacket thake jetia ihote ki danger feel kore ba konobai jodi bhabe je ihote bhoy khai ki ba bostur sai tetia ki kore ekdom I round hoi bolon nisina hoi roll kori kori polai jay। ঠিক আছে। So kiba interesting animals, isn't it? So the name of this animal is armadillo. Okay, the name of this animal is armadillo. Number 7. So number 7 answer is armadillo. Okay, armadillo. So the name of this animal is armadillo. 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 Okay. Now come to number 8. See, this fish also has spines on its body. It puffs its body when in danger. Etur ki yar spines ase, kata dore pointed kisuman ki ase body, gote body pointed kisuman ki ase tomar spines ase। Okay, aru ki kore it puffs its body when in danger. Aru ihot ki jetia ihot bhoy khai neba danger feel kore ihot nijor body to eneke bolor dore ki fulai diye, and the name of this animal is puffer fish. Okay, puffer fish. Number 8 is PUFFRFISH. So answer is puffer fish. Puffer fish. Okay, PUFFER puffer FISH, fish, puffer fish. Okay, now come to number 9. This animal lives in sea water. It gives electric shock to its prey and enemies. এইটো এনেকুৱা এটা এনিমেল য'ত সিট থাকে আৰু কোনোবা যদি এনিমি ইহতক টাচ কৰে নাইবা যদি ধৰিব যায় হলে কি ইলেক্ট্ৰিক শক দিয়ে, যেতিয়া যেনেকৈ আমি কাৰেণ্টৰ যদি আঙুলি দিওঁ নাইবা যিকোনো যিবোৰ আমাৰ প্লেগ পিন থাকে আমি যদি তাত আঙুলিটো সোমাই দিওঁ তেতিয়া কি আমি যেনেকৈ কাৰেণ্টে আমাক শক দিয়ে ঠিক তেনেকৈ ইহতক যদি কোনোবাই ধৰে ইহতেও কি কৰে সেই এনিমিটোক নাইবা তাক যোনে ধৰিবলৈ যায় তাক কি কৰে ইট গিভস ইলেক্ট্ৰিক শক। Okay, and the name of this animal is electric eel. Number 9. Electric eel. ELECTRIC. Electric, EEL, electric eel. Now come to number 10. See, this frog has bright colored skin. Its poison can paralyze the enemy. So this frog has bright colored skin মানে ইহঁতৰ স্কিন যোনটো সেইটো বহুত ব্ৰাইট হয় আৰু ইটস পয়জন ক্যান প্যাৰালাইজ দ্য এনিমি আৰু ইহঁতক যেতিয়া কোনোবা এনিমিয়ে ধৰিব যায় নাইবা কোনোবাই যদি ইহঁতে যাৰ পৰা ডেঞ্জাৰ ফিল কৰে বা কোনোবাই বা ইহঁতক যোনে মাৰিব যায় বা ধৰিব যায় কি কৰে ই পয়জন দিয়ে সেই এনিমিটোক ঠিক আছে আৰু ইয়াৰ পয়জনে কি কৰিব পাৰে এনিমিটোক একদম প্যাৰালাইজ কৰি দিব পাৰে মানে এনেকুৱা কৰি দিব পাৰে হাত ভৰি আকৌ লৰাব নোৱাৰা অৱস্থাত হৈ যায় যোনটো ইয়াৰ পয়জন ঠিক আছে So this frog has bright colored skin. Its poison can paralyze the enemy. So the name of this frog is poison dart frog. Number 10 is poison dart frog. Poison dart frog. P-O-I-S-O-N. Poison D-A-R-T dart F-R-O-G frog. So if you can't understand my handwriting, okay, or if you can't see the handwriting properly on the words properly I have written, okay, just do one thing. Page number 9 below, these names of the animals are written here, okay. So just if you find any difficulty while writing, okay, while writing the words or while writing the spellings, just look at the book below and spellings are written here. All the names of the animals are written in the book, okay. So just find out the correct answer that I wrote already, okay. Just find out the correct answer and write in the box. See the spellings from the book properly. If you don't understand or if you can't understand anything, okay, so today we're going to end our class here and end our topic here, okay. In our next videos or in our next class we'll come with new chapter, okay. We'll start our new chapters, okay. Bye bye students and thank you.